All right, so let's do a complete unboxing. First up, CeramicSpeed vest. For a second there, I got really scared it didn't fit. What's up? My chest is warm now, thanks to CeramicSpeed. Oh, it's even on the back, it just lets you know that you have CeramicSpeed. That's pretty dope. Oh, this is pretty cool. Little CeramicSpeed like tool pouch thing that you put in the water bottle cage. Pretty sweet. That's awesome. Probably put it on the gravel bike. I'm not much of a hat guy, but CeramicSpeed hat. I have a huge head. It even says it's built for somebody with 60 centimeter head, which is my head, and it still doesn't fit. My head's massive, but hey, sweet hat. Some socks, say CeramicSpeed. Massive bottle of UFO cleaner. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's pretty awesome. Is this out yet? UFO drip? I think that is. They just recently released, they have a new product release coming out soon. So I hope this is released. I'm gonna check online, I guess, before I put this clip in. But some chain lube, all weather, all terrain chain lube. Oh man. Some new bearings for the Boyd wheels. So some new bearings for the wheels. Oversized Pulley wheel system X. So yeah, I'm gonna be running CeramicSpeed on the gravel bike, and they even sent me the one with red pulley wheels, which is great because it comes in 2 colors. I wish it came in green. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. This is probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I wanna show you guys how fast. Like it's, like I literally picked the box up and it was still, the pulleys were spinning while it was in the box. Wow.
Holy moly!
But yeah, so CeramicSpeed pulleys for the GRX. Get that put on tomorrow from the friends at Elevation Wheelworks. And now the last thing, CeramicSpeed bottom bracket for the gravel bike as well. So I'm going to go full CeramicSpeed on my bikes next year, which, like, it's unreal. Like, they make the best and fastest products known to man, and like the fact that I get to have it on my bike next year is pretty awesome. And I guess I get to be in style while having these things. So thanks again, CeramicSpeed, but let's go install these things. All right, so we are on our way to Elevation Wheelworks where we are gonna do the CeramicSpeed upgrade package to the gravel bike. It's a few days later. Had to find some time to squeeze in with Chris. But yeah, we're just gonna videotape the whole setup, the whole installation, and then we're gonna go out for a ride.
Love you down.
Alright guys, so there you have it. We just got the CeramicSpeed all installed on the VeloFlyer, and yeah, first impressions are it runs super smooth, and it almost just like pedals the bike for you, and it's pretty insane. But I'm gonna go out and test it a little bit more, and I'll post another video here in about a week or so, just giving you guys the rundown, the pluses, and even the minuses of CeramicSpeed, some of my question marks that I have, and that I'll be testing out over the season with having CeramicSpeed on a gravel bike. There's a few kind of question marks of just with servicing and the length of the pulley cage and how it's gonna handle the mud, etc. So over the course of the season, I will give a few different tests and feels on how it actually rolls with the gravel bike. But as of right now, it rolls super smooth, super fast, and I'm enjoying it. So anyways, thanks so much again for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. If you like this video, leave me a comment and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Also, I do have a podcast called Coffee and Van Chats, which you can find on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Anchor, and much more. So be sure to check that out and hit the subscribe button on those as well. And yeah, we'll see you next time.